The Minister with responsibility for financial services told conference guests he planned to diversify the economic base in the area of insurance without placing the reputation of the jurisdiction at risk. He said he was confident that Gibraltar would be removed from the FATF Grey List and highlighted the possibility for future alignment between Gibraltar and the UK in the captive regime market. Tech-driven solutions to insurance problems is another growing area of the market.
The UK market, which I'm based in, is really thriving. It's set to become the global hub for insurance innovation, and we have over 280 insurtech firms estimated to be based in the UK. But they're of all shapes and sizes and at all stages of the journey, from the sort of smallest startup to unicorn. And I think that they are all looking very globally to scale, and also to looking at different jurisdictions where to establish themselves as they progress through that journey to maybe just a tech company, to maybe becoming an MGA and ultimately full stack insurer. So there's things that they're exploring, and that's why I'm in Gibraltar, to explore what this market is all about and what it has to offer to our UK insurtechs.
We need to have a government that is open to innovations and government that is willing to change legislative framework in order to sort of support new businesses. And we need a responsive regulator. We need a regulator that listens. And I think Gibraltar has managed to achieve that so far. At the end of the day, the government has to be open. They have to be open to accepting different types of businesses. And I hope that, we continue to work together. I think the industry, the sector, the professionals, they all have to work together to make it a success.
Captive insurance is booming all around the world, including Europe, but it is an increasingly competitive marketplace for domiciles. But Gibraltar has that background, it has the insurance infrastructure, it has everything you need here. So it's now all about, can the Minister and the regulator put in a regime which will attract that business?
But I must ask you, what sets us apart, if anything, from other jurisdictions?
It's got that unique access to the UK, and as I said, the infrastructure, all the accountancy expertise is here, the tax expertise, the actuarial, the insurance knowledge and history. The regulator intrinsically understands insurance and captives here, so if they can knit all that together with the right kind of regulatory regime, then it should be an attractive place to come.
For Startup Grind, the event offered an opportunity to shine a spotlight on the insurance landscape and to harness opportunities in this key area of financial services.
Well, we have the monthly events with Startup Grind in Gibraltar, and they've been going on for about 7 years, but I thought it was time, and obviously Mike Ashton, who had been the insurance senior executive in Gibraltar Finance, came to me with the idea about hosting a bigger event for the insurance industry, because there was just great stories to tell. There was so many successes in 2021 to 2022, and there has been 7 billion in underwriting in motor insurance, diversification of the industry, and there is just so much to say. We thought it was the perfect opportunity to host a big event, and this is in fact our first full day event.
The world of insurance is rapidly evolving, and Gibraltar aspires to be a hub for the sector. The aim of InsurConnect is to forge potentially valuable connections with industry leaders and collaborators, as well as local professionals, to explore the possibilities and advantages for insurance businesses and startups in Gibraltar.